pẹ́ bùnbẹ́ lára mi. Torí pẹ́ bùnbẹ́ lára mi.
Ẹ gbà mí kẹ́ ẹ̀. Ó pè mí ní Ṣadé. Mo yìí rò pé ṣé bóyá o fẹ́ prank mi àbí possible. A máa tún sọ̀rọ̀ lọ, o máa tún pè mí bọ́sẹ̀ kẹ́. Ẹ̀kọ́ àti ro wọlé, èèyàn àti ro jáde. Ta ni o mọ̀ pé eégún kan náà ló wà nú ẹ̀kú? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is really disappointing. Who would expect that Kunle could do this to me? What time does it got to deal with more than 1 and 2, 3 women? Shade cannot actually be possessed. And here I am, with all the love he showers. And, oh God. So, even if he tells me, I love you, babe, and got me kids, and have all the time for me, no loyalty. No loyalty at all. So, no sincerity. So, no faithfulness. God, I am shocked. Nimi, oh, ní anybody máa sọ fún ẹ pé o lè tẹ́ mat sórí títì o. Wá lọ dán wò express lásán wọ́n máa kọlù ẹ. Ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìfẹ́ bọ̀bọ́ ẹ máa kọlù ẹ kó máa fi ẹ látẹ̀gùn káàkiri ayé. It's only a blind man that would not say he's a cheat. Yeah. He's a cheat. He's a cheat. Ah. Okay now wo. Ó pè. Ó tún pè ń bọ́sẹ̀. Nǹkan tí wàá tẹ argue on first of was kí ló tó máa fi romantic message hand pẹ̀lú Ṣadé. Was that for you? Was it a prank? Now look at that. Couple wo ti nǹkan tó ti ń gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Nimi, já right now. Ayọ̀fẹ́ Olúwa Nimi, you know very well the job description of this man. He meets a lot of all and sundry. And most of them are ladies. O.T, they could be people he has something to give to. I want to phone your father as a shepherd. Oh, dear man, Shelebe. I said, we ought to say so. I wouldn't want you to doubt him. I mean, he loves you, obvious. But love her. So, there is anything about my bashore, you can so. Anything about if I'm sorting on the bad person, and your own bashore. What face suspicions? See, no, got a John look at what don't be fair. So that's all my just able to go. My opinion. Pẹ̀lẹ́ èèyàn ọlọ́jà obìnrin ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ẹ bí dọ̀dọ̀ yẹn ló fẹ́ máa tẹ̀bàtì. I mean, who doesn't work with women and men? There is what they call moderation. But if moderation say, it can only take somebody you're having heart to heart. If I am yani mo tún mi kó tó máa ṣèyàn bí fúnra wọn tó bá mọ nǹkan tí yẹn mi. Kó tó nídìí ń sìn ni pé kó wá di ohun gbogbo dájúdájú. Kó lè bá mọ orí ibi tó wà ní o. I mean ibi tó kẹ́ ẹ sí. Set up a panel or start by one man investigator. Yeah, some intelligence like that. You should have a friend. That poor yẹn ọ̀tẹlẹ̀múyẹ́ ni now. Jẹ́ kó lọ ring bọ̀bọ́ yẹn o kó mọ bóyá ń lọ. They will come and give you a download now. Gbogbo àtìní rẹ̀ ló máa mọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe ló máa mọ̀. Then you would know if it's for you or not. Because èmi ò rò pé àwọn èèyàn kan máa hear àhesọ lásán nípa bad characters and all this shit don't suppose shit.
I said I'm all ears. Because gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ sí mi látẹ̀kàn kò ní mí nìyí. Seriously, I don't know what you want. I don't know what you want. Because you know my job descriptions. You know iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe ìbátapàdé. Now I got promoted. I mean, are you for real? My job comes with lots of tasks to munch. And I'm not shouting. I am not shouting. Look, I'm not raising my voice. I don't. Really? Are you kidding? Kemi Fisher Misile. First off, you can't tell me what to do. I'm not one of the baby you can turn around. Second of all, it's impossible for me to drop my job for you. Mo tell you, Shirara. Gbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ lẹ́nu now. Gbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ṣé idle woman ló meet ni? You know what? Have some rest if you want to. For me, I know my job first before you. Wo Monica, we are calling nice night over there. The ledger about on bank. My opinion, Baba Lo get me off my mind. Only imagine what Bob Bami push. Look, it's not even about calming down. Can any man of this age hate on their woman getting busy with work? I mean, it's not like some ladies who are just idle. Discretion is me. And you know, he's fully aware that I just got promoted. Can I tell you something? Only came in my fish. Can choose between work and him. Hey, Banky, seriously, it's so annoying. Joe, you can't even wear my shoes though. You're a man. Oh, they say something. It's better to let it go before it hurts you. Tó bá wù tí bá wà important, kò ní máa fi mí. That's, how can you even say let's compare job to humans? Kì í mú nínú iṣẹ́ mi at home. I think when guys have something to do, if they want to drop shit, they find the excuse. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe, nǹkan tó bá dẹ̀ wù ló lè fi ra iṣẹ́. How about ìwọ now? Mo máa gbàgbé lọ́sọ̀ọ́ kí n drop file yẹn fún ẹ. Oh, you're such a darling. And Ọlá, time wo ló máa dé? Jọ̀ọ́, ó máa sáré ṣe nǹkan kan fún mi. Yeah, in fact, if you get drop lánàá yẹn, mo fẹ́ kó bá mi treat ẹ. I'll say, you already have my password. But I had lunch and it was on my bill. So breakfast, Ola, my dad, my forgot shift as a meal. My shift for me. You're gonna do lunch tomorrow, and every bill on you. Go to my staff responsible. Belt me go to buy me get last in London. Okay, show my more. But mo wá lọ́la náà, mo te fẹ́ lò lórí one nice gown kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo fẹ́ kí n lò. Ọkùnrin kan pọ̀ kiri ní ìlú. If you be banker, top. I'm a star girl. I can act, cause I'm an actor. I'm the best in the game. I am so skillful. I read my script to the letter, cause I'm a professional.